I think one of my favorite things about being MassRobotics, especially as a first-time founder, an early-stage startup, is really the access to other people doing a lot of similar work. When we have questions, we don't get bottled down by, we don't have a resistor of a certain kind, or we're not sure this certain electrical component. There's other resources here. There's other startups we can work with. There's MassRobotics staff that can help support us in those areas. And it's a fun place to be. A lot of us are very young here, but we all have this excitement for the growing of the robotics industry, especially in Boston, and seeing how we can work together and grow. My name is Samantha Johnson. I am the founder and CEO of Tatum Robotics.
My name is Ian Randall. I am a co-founder and CEO of Maglavero.
Hi, Meredith Owen, Head of Business Operations at Southie Autonomy.
My name is Omar Ilarayan. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Clio Robotics.
When we first started MassRobotics, it was quite literally me, myself, and I needed desk space and lab space. So Joyce hooked me up with a lab bench in the corner of what was previously called the Valkyrie Lab.
So we've been with MassRobotics since basically the beginning as one of their first companies. It is an early stage company. When we were 2 people, we were able to use some of the shared resources in the space. So thinking about the CNC machine, thinking about the 3D printers, thinking about the different tools and hardware. As an early stage company, you don't necessarily want to go and buy your full tool set. So just being able to use those shared tools in the space to really start growing our company was super key for us.
It's been really easy for us to flexibly add resources as we need. It being on a month-by-month basis allows us to make flexible decisions without a lot of the overhead and concern associated with making long-term commitments. So we can decide this month to use more resources without being worried about making a 2 or 3 year lease obligation.
So Boston is just growing as this robot kind of capital, if you will, and MassRobotics is right in the center. So being able to connect through MassRobotics team to get connected to the Boston ecosystem and the robotics ecosystem has been really nice.
One of the big MassRobotics resident benefits is exposure, and one of the main forms of exposure is being able to attend and speak at a lot of great conferences, whether that be the Robotics Summit in Boston or CES in Vegas.
Coming from the startup engagement program through MassRobotics, we've become a diamond integrator with Mitsubishi, and we've been able to deploy multiple of their robots throughout our customer sites.
We work with MITRE, who's a partner at MassRobotics. The team at MITRE is involved with several projects that we have ongoing, one with the US Army.
And then every now and then, you'd be surprised, but like some governor is walking through MassRobotics and you get that opportunity. Favorite event? My favorite would be the ping pong tournament that we threw upstairs on the 5th floor. Because we had a really great turnout. I think 30 or so folks ended up showing up for that and competing, and it doesn't matter who won, but it was a fun day.
For a startup to thrive, or any business to thrive, you need to be part of a community, and
the leadership team at MassRobotics has personally been a huge help for me, so it's been a good experience. I appreciate everything that MassRobotics, all the opportunities MassRobotics has allowed me. So, thank you guys.